my friend here, go down. The camera can't see you. Yep, there we go. Yeah, she's gonna show you how to make a origami bird that she designed herself.
Yep. We're gonna need to start with a squared of paper. Okay. And then you fold it in half, diagonal, then increase. Then you fold the paper like this. Like this. Then you do the same thing at the other side. Looks like a kite. Then the top of here, you're gonna fold it down. Then crease. Then it looks like a real triangle. You open the flap, and then you put it inside these two things. Okay. Now you have thing. You take this top and fold it down. Fold it down, and do the same thing as the other side. Okay, this is gonna be the tricky part. Then you're gonna open the little mini flap. You're gonna put it out like that. You're gonna take it all out. Then you're gonna crease. Okay. Then you take it and fold it down. And you can crease again. You're gonna do the same thing as the other side. Okay, when you're done, it's supposed to look like this. Okay, then you fold it like this. Then you crease a little bit. Then you open it again and take these two flabber things. And then you're gonna make a mini little thing that's hanging out. And do the same thing as the other side. Now you can fold. Okay, you should be looking and it should be like this. Okay, and take this edge and fold it down. Yeah, like this, and the tail a little bit up. There, you got your origami bird. But warning, it may cost something terrible.
What's she doing here? What? No, it's giant! Run! Ah! Is it gone?
No.
Ah! Okay. Bye. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.
Have enough?
Now. Wait. What? Yeah. So. Birdie. Okay. Take it.